This is the part that I'm using. It's a 3/4. I want to put that shut off right here, and I'm going to apply it onto this. And I turn it on. It opens up. Okay. Okey-dokey. If you're here to see how to install a 3/4 inch gas shutoff, well, you're in the right spot. Coming close. Okay, so you can see over here there's a hot water heater. That's what this is going to be for, this little shutoff. This is the part that I'm using. It's a 3/4 inch shutoff on both sides. Okay, you're going to need some Blue Monster pipe dope, some Blue Monster Teflon tape, and you're going to need some channel locks or a crescent wrench or both. And I have a couple of fittings right here too. This is a short little nipple. This is 3/4 inch reduced down to a 1/2 inch. So like I said, depending on your situation, you may need one of these. And I'm going to show you how all this goes together. So let's go over here. Okay, so here's my hot water heater closet. I want to put that shut off right here. I'm going to take you in really close so you can see. I've removed my hot water heater. The gas is shut off. And all I'm going to do is put on this little shut off. First thing you want to do is put on the Teflon. Okay, I've got the Teflon on, and remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You want to put the Teflon around like I just did, so that when you tighten your fitting on there, that it won't unravel everything. So, now that I got that on there, I'm going to put the pipe dope on. This is a really tight spot. It's kind of hard to video. But that's all there is to it. Put your tape on there where when you tighten it down it doesn't come off, and put your pipe dope all the way around evenly like that. You don't want to get any of it inside the pipe. So there you go, that's ready. Now you take your shut off, and I'm going to apply it onto this. And if you're curious on how I got this far, like I said, I have a playlist of a gas playlist on how I did all my Homeflex gas lines, how I ran new gas lines from the meter to this point. If you're curious on any of that. And down here, I'm going to hold everything in place with one pair of channel locks, and the other pair of channel locks I'm going to use to tighten this down. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I have to turn this shut off so that I can get my wrench in there. Alright, this isn't going very well. I got too much stuff in the way. But, okay, I'm going to bring you back after I get this tightened down. I got to get this camera out of my way if I'm going to get this done. I'll be right back. Oh, you messed with the wrong guy. Okay, so here's what it is. I got that shut off on there. And you can see it's horizontal right now. This little red part is horizontal. That means it's turned off, and you can see what that looks like when it's turned off. And then when I turn it on, it opens up. Okay. And it's going to be tight. It's going to be a little bit hard to get that on there, probably, most likely. Hot water heater closets are usually too small. But anyway, down pretty much as tight as you can go without where this, you can reach it. So like if you actually have to turn this off in case of emergency, you want to be able to reach it. So for instance, my hot water heater is going to be sitting here. I don't want it here. I can reach around over here and turn this off. Reach around the hot water heater and turn that off. So you just want to make sure that you can get to it so that it's not pointless. But now I'm going to be making a video, so follow me over to see how to reduce this. I'll do a quick version. That little nipple is going to go inside that 3/4 inch.
This 3/4 inch reducer is going to go on the 3/4 inch piece, and then this is the 1/2 inch piece. The whole video on this, but this piece comes connected to this. This 1/2 inch piece goes inside there. That reduces it down to 3/8, which is what I'm using for my hot water heater. Connects onto that, and then over to this end, also 3/8, connects into the side of the hot water heater right here. Very simple, but there's a couple of things you're going to need to watch because you don't want to pipe up everything.
Anyway, follow me to the next video. If this was helpful, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to my channel if you want to follow along and see how I hook up the hot water heater, the vent, fix this closet, etc., etc., etc. See you next time.